Hi, I'm Aileen O'Mara and I'm a small business owner myself, so I know everything about how to save time and money, and I'm always looking for new ways to do that. When I teach video, and I hear from small business owners all the time about how they want to make video, how they need to make video, but that they're saying, oh, it's going to cost me a lot of money to get a video camera in, and I say, I've got the solution. We have a course called Mobile Video Storytelling. It teaches you, whether you're a beginner or someone who knows a bit about video, how to make really good quality structured videos right on your smartphone. Because we all have smartphones now and they all have great cameras on them. But what you need is a bit more help. You need help in structuring your videos, in getting the sound right, getting the equipment right, and over 2 live tutor-led sessions on Zoom, I teach you how to make videos. Not just that, you make the videos for live feedback with a small group online. By the end of the course with me, you will have made 2 videos, a video interview and a video story, with text, with logo, looking and sounding well, and you'll go, wow, that's really up my game, because video, as we know, really important now for all sorts of small businesses, whether you're a service, a consultancy, a factory, an insurance broker or a consultant. So here's your opportunity to really learn a great skill that will stand to you in your business. And you can email us at hello@rathdownmedia.ie. That's hello@rathdownmedia.ie, and we'll be back in touch. I'm Aileen. Thanks for watching.